Most stuff has prices on it. If it doesn't, then there's at least a price on the table.
Oh, okay.
So
Great, thank you. Oh.
Oh, what a score.
$2.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sean?
$1.
$1?
Another haul.
Yeah.
Got some uranium glass.
Okay. Now let's try and do it in the shadows here. Oh yeah. Awesome. Another piece. We don't have one like this for our collection. Now, you might look at that and say, well, that looks like it could be modern. Which you're right, it totally does. But if you can see, and I'm not sure how well it's going to show up, all along this ridge here, like where it would be slid around, it's worn. So that's another good indication that it's old, because it takes a long time for glass. And I hope that's showing up for you.
For the set.
for the set. That one just to show that it worked, and then it's over. I'm just kidding.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, I bet you that is.
Oh, it's
Nice.
the right color.
It is.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh,
Nice.
it's a chip there, but
Good eye. That's okay. That's a nice big piece.
that's nice.
Here.
Can't believe you walked right by that.
I know. I don't know. Oh, because I was looking at this.
Okay, pardon me. Oh, onto this one. Okay, there you go. Oh, and the bowl.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I don't know what I know. $2.
Okay, now. Can't believe we got this uranium glass bowl.
I know.
Oh, I should bring this to the front.
That is a great.
Right?
Sure.
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun.
That is a nice big piece.
Yes. Look at that.
And it's not in perfect condition or
It's
anything,
heavy.
but it is a
thick.
big chunk of uranium glass. It's definitely worth more than $2.
And it's old. I don't know if they can see the scratches along the very bottom rim. Can't believe I walked right by it. Hello.
Hi.
Right.
Oh,
Oh. Do you have it? No. Yes, 5 cents. Nice. 1,
wow.
2. There's 5 of them.
There's 5, so one broke.
So
Or 3 broke.
25 cents for all of these.
Wow.
1 or 3.
Yeah.
broke.
That is okay. Sweet. Nice.
Yeah.
Wow, that was a great sale. Yeah, look how bright green that is. Like, you just see it from a mile away.
Did it unlock? Oh yeah. I know. Super bright, eh?
Hey. Long time no see.
Yeah. Oh, this one has a crack.
Oh,
That's okay.
but we only need 4 anyway we'll call 4 a set.
Like, oh, we found some more. This has been a really good day for this. Look at the price.
5 cents.
5 of them for 25 cents.
Come on.
And these are have the nice design. Oh, that's a crack that goes all the way around.
Oh, wow. It does too.
Almost.
That's okay.
Yeah.
We're not actually going to use them. They're just going to sit in our collection.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right on.
Okay, let's see what they got.
You seem to feel better. Yeah.
And then you just.
We just went to that one game.
So some of the frames are nice. Mm-hmm. Like, I wonder how much pictures are. Is anything priced? Do you see? No, I don't think so.
Yep.
Yep.
Nice.
Any of this stuff? No.
No. What's your
Some
favorite?
Ooh, no.
I love that one. The clown.
Do you?
She doesn't like clowns.
No.
You don't like clowns?
We won't fight over that
I
one.
suppose that you went to that movie, did you?
Well, yeah.
We did see
There's
it.
not just one. There's so many scary clown movies.
No. Amazing. And it's almost identical in color, eh?
Yeah.
And one lights up under the light and the other one, no reaction at all.
No. That sure looks right, doesn't it?
We have a couple things.
$2 each.
Let's go.
Okay.
Good find, babe. Good find. So it'll probably show up better in here.
Probably. Maybe not.
Yeah, it's not showing up very well in here at all, but...
They'll be able to see it. It shows up better. See, oh, there's a chip there.
Oh, there is one there too. I felt around the side and I couldn't feel anything.
I
But
can see it.
yeah, you can see it in
Whatever.
here.
It doesn't really matter.
It's still nice.
It is. So it was only $2.
$2, yeah.
Morning. Wow, it's like brand new inside, hey?
Yeah.
That's pretty cute. You better not sell that.
Hey, it's on mine.
No.
Dad's willing to give me a
Ooh, 80 is like pretty much full price, but it's cute though, isn't it?
Yeah.
I wonder if they go down on that. Oh yeah, it does go up and down. But what would I be willing to pay though? But with those glass feet, that's what I like.
Yeah.
Yeah, those ones are a little harder to find.
Yeah.
Books.
Tristan's crippled. I'm gonna go fishing from the couch.
Yeah, it scared me when you did that.
Ooh.
Well, at least I'm on the carpet here, so I'm having problems.
You want me to reach into the bag?
Thanks for not helping.
I'm laughing too hard.
Oh, the whole, you have to buy the whole box though. But there's some other nice things in there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's a sugar and cream. Yeah, get that box, hey?
Sure.
Anything else?
Just gonna throw these in there.
Okay.
I can grab that if you just want to put that lengthwise, maybe?
Yeah, there you go.
Perfect.
Well, that was worth coming out today, hey?
Yeah.
That's a good one. Guess the dealers didn't make it to this one.
No.
Wow, some real gems, eh?
Yeah, no kidding.
Yes. That thing might be sterling right there, that boat.
Right here.
Yep.
I'll let you look at that.
Yeah.
But yeah, it could be because that's crystal.
Yeah.